Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise Samsung Toploader washing machine, a latest model, digital inverter, DD motor, 10-year warranty. And with this machine, as per the customer complaint, its machine not running while he giving power. Machine not running actually. Machine getting on. Everything's light, everything blinking. But while he selecting any option, within few minutes, the machine starting drain and continuously drain working, but water not taken to the machine. This is the problem with this machine. While when we go to the customer house, we try to troubleshoot the problem at customer home, but as per the customer request, we collected to the workshop and we brought to the workshop. Now its problem, this machine is getting switching on, we can on the machine, but when we select any option, any program, and now I'm selecting spin. Now it is detecting time. Because the itself machine detecting the fabric load and water level, because the it's one sensor is there, it's a realizing sensor and detecting fabric load and water level, water quantity. It's for we are calling for that detecting time, and still detecting, because I never put cloth for the machine. I never load, because of that drum is empty, because of that taking that much time. If it is inside fabric, it's very quickly detect. Now still detecting. This machine actually is very difficult to troubleshoot the problem at customer home, because we have to remove. Now it's show this is 55 yes 55 minutes, and now within few minutes machine getting stop. Actually that's mean drain motor starting continuously, drain motor running, but water not taken to the machine. Also not showing any error message. This is the main issue, but it should show any message, but in this machine not showing any error message, but continuously drain motors working continuously without any message. This is the problem. Let check. First we have to check all the harness and all. Again I'm selecting this. Now it came already 50. That's mean it still not take water. 5 minutes gone already. Now it's showing 50. Now drain motor start. Continuously draining. Drain is working continuously. Now I'm going to remove this cover, safety cover, and we will check exactly what is the problem, because I am thinking maybe wire cut somewhere. Otherwise wire harness came from out. My pressure sensor. First I'm going to check the pressure. Actually pressure sensor maybe defective, because of that this problem occurring. And before also I having the experience the same problem. Now power, I disconnected the power, and we have to check the pressure sensor, and I remove the pressure sensor connector. Yes, it is problem with the pressure sensor. Yeah, it's already oxided. See, you can see properly. it is to oxidized. Because of that it's not contacting with the power control board. Because of that only this issue. We have to remove the pressure sensor. Because of that main PCB we have to remove. No need to remove, only the just we have to take it little bit up. After that we can take it. We have to remove these screws, and after that little bit pull out and keep one side, and take it the pressure sensor. Now we can take the pressure sensor. It's three side lock. We have to remove that lock. Yeah, I removed that one. After cleaning also we can use this sorry. After cleaning also we can use this machine, the pressure sensor, but anyway I'm going to replace the new one. Because if chance to come again, it's not nice for us. Also customer creating problem with us. After that repeat complaint as repeat complaint. Because of that I'm replacing this one. After replacing, our problem will get solved. It should come to the water inside. If it is water come, it is okay. Now we will check after fixing the pressure sensor, and I'm giving connector again, connecting to the pressure sensor. And now I have to, and now I'm fixing refixing power control box, and 3 screws we have to tight. If water not come, we have to check the power control box also. Anyway, let check. Now I'm selecting again any option. Select rings and spin. Yeah, it's again detecting the time. Yes, just start the inlet. It's valve open already. Yeah, water take into the machine. It is done our job. I'm closing now cover, which is we removed safety cover. We have to fix again. This machine is actually it's the latest brand in UAE. Also expensive machine, good machine, heavy duty, and 19 kilo. Now after fixing we have to select 2-3 cycles. Thanks. I did my job. It is already 100%. It's okay. The problem with this pressure sensor, we can repair also, but I'm not going to repair this one. I already replaced the new one because for the customer satisfaction.